This is vivo's X200 FE. It's launched by Vivo at a very competitive price point in the Indian market. It weighs 186 grams and is just 7.9 mm thick. Now, when it comes to the display on this smartphone, Vivo says that it is perfect for single-hand usage because this one features a 6.31-inch display with 5000 nits of brightness that is super easy to see in bright sunlight. Now, it is also IP68 and 69 water and dust resistant. Vivo's co-engineered this smartphone with ZEISS, and it comes with two 50 megapixel sensors at the back. One is the main camera and the other one is a telephoto shooter. For selfies, you get an 50 megapixel ultra-wide front camera, and you also get plenty of imaging modes on this smartphone, including something of a stage mode, which is my personal favorite, as well as a 3D bokeh mode. Now, this phone packs in a very powerful battery as well. It comes with a 6500 milliampere battery, and it also supports 90 watt. Yes, you heard that right, 90 watt of flash charge. Under the hood, this one features Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset by MediaTek, which is their flagship chipset. It also clocks in at an ultra-high clock speed of 3.4 gigahertz. There are two options when it comes to the RAM on this smartphone. One is 12 gigs of RAM, the other one is 16 gigs of RAM. You also get two storage options depending on what RAM size you choose. One is 256 GB and the other one is 512 gigabytes. This phone comes with Vivo's bloatware Funtouch OS 15 based on Android 15. There are three color options too. There's Lux Grey, there's Amber Yellow, which I have in my hand, and there is a Frost Blue color as well. I personally like the Amber Yellow. Now, what about the price? Well, for the 12 gig 256 GB storage variant, you'll have to shell out 54,999 rupees. And if you want the full power packed feature of 16 gigs and 512 GB of storage, for that one, you'll have to shell out 59,999 rupees. Tell me, what do you think about the price on this new Vivo device out there? Tell me in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe. Full review will be coming out soon.